Hi my dear kids, in this video we are going to see matter and materials of chapter 5 NSO Workbook class 4. In our last video we discussed about human needs. So in this video matter and materials. The skills covered are states of matter, properties of solid, liquid and gases, solutions, different types of materials, their characteristics and uses, separation of substances, measurements. Okay. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. There are generally three states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. In solid, particles are closely packed. But in liquids, particles are less closely packed. In gases, particles are very loosely packed. That is, molecules are far away from each other. By heating the matter, the molecular space will increase. Okay. So, by cooling, the molecular space between matter decreases. Okay. Matter can change its states on heating or cooling. Solid changes to liquid on heating, that is melting. Liquid changes to gas on heating, that is evaporation or boiling. Gas changes to liquid on cooling, that is condensation. Liquid changes to solid on cooling, that is freezing. Solid changes to gas directly without going to liquid state on heating is called sublimation. Okay. So example for solid is ice, liquid is water, gas is water vapor, that is steam. Okay. Next, the substance which dissolves in a liquid is called solute. The liquid in which it dissolves is called solvent. And the mixture consisting of a solute dissolved into a solvent is called solution. Okay. So the mass of the body is the amount of matter in the body. Mass is measured in grams or kilograms. The amount of space that a body occupies is called its volume. The volume can be measured in cubic centimeter or cubic meter or millimeter or liters. Different materials have different properties. They can be soft or hard, breakable or non-breakable, opaque, translucent or transparent, and waterproof or non-waterproof. Okay. Come, let's see the practice questions. First one. Dash is separated from water by a method different from the method used to separate the other three substances given in the options. Option A, sand, B, sugar, C, coffee powder, D, salt. Actually, sand is insoluble in water, while salt, sugar and coffee powder are soluble in water. So, sand is separated by sedimentation and decantation or filtration, while the other three, sugar, coffee powder and salt, are separated by evaporation. So, option A is the correct answer. Sand is separated from water by evaporation. Okay. Second one. Select the correct option regarding solution. Option A. Solute plus solution is equal to solvent. B. Solvent plus solution equal to solute. C. Solvent minus solute equal to solution. D. Solute plus solvent equal to solution. So the correct option is option D. Solute plus solvent equal to solution. A solute and a solvent together form a solution. Solute is the substance that dissolves, and the substance in which solute dissolves is called solvent. So option D is the correct answer. Third one. The given picture shows the process of A. Freezing, B. Melting, C. Evaporation, D. Condensation. Actually here the candle is melted, okay. The process in which solid changes to liquid on heating is called melting. Here the solid candle melts on heating, okay. So the given process is melting. Option B is the correct answer. Fourth one. Select the correct statement. Option A. The milk bottle has a capacity of 2 liters. Option B. The bag of flour weighs 10 grams. C. The length of the hall is 10 degrees Celsius. D. Both A and B. Actually, the length of the hall is measured in meters. Degree Celsius is used to measure temperature. So the correct statement is both A and B. The milk bottle has a capacity of 2 liters. That means it can hold maximum of 2 liters milk. Next, the bag of flour weighs 10 kilograms. We weigh flour in kilograms. So option A and B are correct statement. Fifth one. The object in the given figure is made of a combination of dash and dash. Option A. Wood, paper. B. Metal, wood. C. Glass, plastic. D. Glass, paper. So we know the glass is made up of glass and plastic. The given picture is spectacles. It will made of glass and plastic. So option C is the correct answer. Sixth one. Select the option that arranges the object in decreasing order of capacity. Option A. 1 liter milk carton, 40 ml sunscreen tube, 10 ml test tube, 60 ml Coke bottle. All are given in descending order, okay. Option B. 10 milliliter test tube, 60 ml Coke bottle, 40 ml sunscreen tube, 1 liter milk carton. C. 1 liter milk carton, 60 ml Coke bottle, 40 ml sunscreen tube, 10 ml test tube. So it is in descending order. D. 60 ml Coke bottle, 40 ml sunscreen tube, 10 ml test tube, 1 liter milk carton. So actually 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So 1 liter milk carton has the highest capacity among the given container, where 10 ml test tube has the lowest capacity. So 1 liter milk carton is greater than 60 ml Coke bottle, and 60 ml Coke bottle is greater than 40 ml sunscreen tube, and 40 ml sunscreen tube is greater than 10 ml test tube. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C. 1 liter milk carton, 16 ml Coke bottle, 40 ml sunscreen tube and 10 ml test tube. Option C is the correct answer. 7th one. Sujata needs an object that does not melt easily and we can see through it clearly. She should use dash. Option A, wood, B, metal, C, crayon, D, glass. Actually, she wants that material does not melt easily and also we can see through it. So, the material she mentioned is transparent material. Okay, transparent material. So, option D is the correct answer, while the other wood, metal, crayon are opaque material. Okay. So, option D, glass is the correct answer. 8th one. Study the given flowchart based on states of matter. Which of the following is correct regarding this? So, please refer the given flowchart. Okay. So, X is, it has no fixed volume. X is, the object has no fixed volume. So, it may be either gas. Yeah, gas. Okay. Next, Y. Y is the object which has fixed volume but no fixed shape. Okay. So, Y is the object which has fixed volume and no fixed shape, that is liquid. That is liquid. Z. Z is, it has both fixed volume and fixed shape. So, Z is solid. Okay. So, X is gas, Y is liquid, Z is solid. So, now come to the given option. So, plastic container is solid, milk is liquid and water vapor is gas. So, X, X may be water vapor. Okay. So, both may be B or C. Next, Y. Y is, we know, liquid. So, milk. So, option C. Okay. Z, we know, solid, that is plastic container. So, the only possibility option is option C. X, water vapor. Y, milk. C, plastic container. So, C is the correct answer. 9th one. The given pictures show particles of the same matter. In which picture is the matter coldest? Okay. So, refer the given figure. In A, the molecules are less closed. In B, the molecules are far away. But C, all the molecules are very close to each other. D are far away. So, if we cool the material, then the molecules will attract each other and the molecular space will be reduced. Okay. So, option C is the correct answer. Cooling decreases net moment of particles and brings them closer. Okay. So, the given picture shows particles of same matter. In which picture is the matter coldest is option C. 10th one. Study the given flowchart carefully and select the correct option regarding it. So, please refer the given flowchart. So, option A, a metal key can be placed at box P. B, a glass plate can be placed at box Q. C, a piece of chalk can be placed at box R. D, a coin can be placed at box S. So, actually S is the material which breaks easily and is not an opaque material. Okay, so it breaks easily and not a opaque material. So here option D, a coin can be placed at box S. No, because coin won't break easily. Okay, so it's the D is the wrong option. Next, R. R breaks easily and also opaque material. Okay, so refer the given flow chart. R breaks easily, yes. Is opaque material, yes. So R, a piece of chalk can be placed at box R. Yes, chalk can be break easily and also chalk is an opaque material. So option C is the correct option. Next, Q. Breaks easily, no. Can stretch, no. That is Q. A glass plate can be placed at box Q. No, because glass plate can break easily. So option B is also wrong option. A metal key can be placed at box P. Breaks easily, no. Can stretch, yes. P. No, we cannot stretch metal key. Okay, so option A also wrong. So for 10th question, option C is the correct answer. Direction. Question 11 and 12. Refer to the given Venn diagram and answer the following question. Okay, so A has both definite volume and definite weight. And also C, it has both definite shape and definite weight. B is solid because it has definite volume, definite weight and definite shape. D, it has only definite weight. Okay, so 11th one. Which letter in the Venn diagram best represents honey? A. Option A, option B, option C, option D. Honey is a liquid. So it has definite volume and weight but no definite shape. So A letter represents honey. Okay, option A is the correct answer. 12th one. Which letter in the Venn diagram best represents glass jar? So we know glass jar is solid. It has definite shape, weight and definite volume. So B. So B letter represents glass jar. 13th one. S changes to Y when it cools down. Select the correct option about the arrangement of molecules in X and Y. So X changes to Y when it's cooled down. So when cooled down, the space should be reduced. Okay. So see option A. In X, the molecules are closely packed, but in Y, they are far away. So X is solid, Y is gas. Okay. B. X is little far away, but Y molecules are very far away. So X is liquid, Y is gas. Okay. C. The molecules are little far away, so it is liquid. Y. The molecules are closely packed, so it is solid. So liquid will change into solid on cooling. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. While heating, the reverse process will take place. Okay. So when heating, the molecular space will be reduced. They are close to each other. 14th one. Select the correct statement about the separation technique shown in the picture. Option A. Salt from water can be removed using this method. B. This method is used to separate soluble substances from a liquid. C. stones from sand can be separated using this method? D. This method first requires sedimentation. So, this picture shown here is of decantation. So, in it, first sedimentation of insoluble substance is required. Then the liquid that float above is decanted slowly into another container, and only the sedimented substance remains in the first container. This method can only use to separate insoluble substance from a liquid. So option D is the correct answer. This method first requires sedimentation. 15th one. Select the option that on unscrambling gives the name of material that does not conduct electricity. So upon unscrambling, option A is aluminium, B copper, C iron, D rubber. So among the given material, only rubber, option D, does not conduct electricity. So option D, rubber, is the correct answer. Okay. Next is achiever section, that is higher order thinking questions. So each question carries 2 marks. Okay. 16th one. The descending order of the heating conducting property of 4 metal A, B, C and D is A greater than B, B greater than C, C greater than D. An experiment was conducted to find out how these different metals when combined will conduct heat. A small ball of candle wax was placed on one end and a flame near the other end. The setups are shown below. In which setup will the wax drop off first? So we have to check which metal has maximum A or maximum B. Okay. If the metal has maximum C or D means it has less heat conducting property. If the metal has more A or more B means it has high heat conducting property. So in that condition, the wax drop off first. So check the option A, B, C and D. Okay. So in option D, we have maximum B and 1A. So both are high heat conducting property. So in that condition, wax will drop off first. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, because of metals A and B have maximum heat conductivity. Okay, option D is the correct answer. 17th. 4 different types of matter are put into the syringes as seen in the before diagram. The opening of each syringe is then covered tightly and the piston is pushed as hard as possible. The result for each syringe are shown in the after diagrams. Okay. Please refer the given diagram. Which syringe is most likely to have a turmeric powder in it? Option A, syringe in diagram W. B, syringe in diagram X. C, syringe in diagram Y. D, syringe in diagram Z. So turmeric powder is a solid and we know solid cannot be compressed easily. So in the option X, the piston is not moved. It shows the incompressibility of the solid, that is the presence of turmeric powder in it. In diagram W, Y and Z, the piston is moved. That means it doesn't have solid because we cannot compress the solid. Okay, so the correct option is option B. Okay. Turmeric is a solid and solid cannot be compressed easily. So option B is the correct answer. 18th one. Refer to the given diagram. Identify X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, S and T and select the correct statement. Here Y is solid. Y is solid, X is liquid, Z is gas. Okay, Y solid, X liquid, Z solid. Okay, so solid, the process of converting solid to gas directly is known as sublimation. So T is sublimation. T is sublimation. Okay. The process of changing solid to liquid is melting. So process Q is melting. So T sublimation, Q melting. The process of changing liquid to solid is freezing. So process P is freezing. The process of changing liquid to gas is evaporation. The process of changing liquid to gas is evaporation. So process S is evaporation. The process of changing gas to liquid is condensation. The process of changing gas to liquid is condensation. So R condensation. So T sublimation, P freezing, Q melting, S evaporation or condensation. Okay, now let's see the option. Option A, naphthalene ball changes to state Z by the process of T. We know T is sublimation, okay? Whereas water in state X changes to ice cube by the process of P. So we know first process, naphthalene ball changes to state Z, that is gas, by the process of sublimation. Correct statement. Whereas water in state X, liquid, changes to ice cube, solid state, by the process of freezing. So both are correct statements. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. 19th one. Read the given passage and select the correct inferences from the information provided in it. In liquids, the molecules are not packed as close together as in solid. There are spaces between the molecules in liquid state, so they can move around more freely. When sugar is dissolved in water, the sugar molecule fills these empty spaces. Okay. Inference. When sugar dissolved in water, the volume of water decreases. Actually no, because the sugar takes up the empty spaces between water molecules. So the volume of water won't change. Okay. B. Liquid have no definite shape and volume. No, liquid have no definite shape, but it has definite volume. Third one, liquid can flow. Yes, liquid can flow from higher level to lower level. Fourth, if we dissolve sugar in water, then all the empty spaces between water molecules will be filled with sugar molecules and no more sugar can be dissolved. Yes, true. So in the above inference 3 and 4 are correct. while the other are wrong. Okay, so correct option is option D, 3 and 4 only. Okay, last one. Achin conducted an experiment to find out the amount of liquid that can be passed through 3 different materials: a clear plastic sheet, a cardboard and a piece of tracing paper. All the material have same thickness. He shone a torch on the 3 material and used a light sensor to measure how much light has passed through each of them. Which of the following graph most likely shows the amount of light that has passed through each material? We know clear plastic sheet is transparent material. It allows maximum light to pass through it. Okay. A cardboard sheet is opaque. It won't allow any light to pass through it. That is, zero amount of light can pass through it. Tracing paper is translucent material. It allows little light to pass through it. Okay, so refer the given graph. Okay, in option C, see cardboard, it won't allow any light to pass through it. Then clear plastic sheet, it allows maximum light to pass through it. Tracing paper, it allows light greater than cardboard but less than clear plastic sheet. So option C is the correct answer. Okay kids. So in our next video we are going to see chapter 6, force, work and energy. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, which motivate me to post more videos. Thank you my dear kids. All the best.